Women always ask me, why is it so hard for me to diet? There's actually an important difference between women and men when it comes to dieting. Hi, my name is Dr. Mike Dow. I'm a psychotherapist specializing in disordered eating and addictive behaviors. Women always ask me, why is it so hard for me to diet? There's actually an important difference between women and men when it comes to dieting. Carbohydrates release serotonin in the brain. Fats and protein release dopamine. There are some studies that suggest that women may need serotonin more than men, which is why females may crave things like ice cream, bread, and pasta more so than men. It's also why studies show that when going on a no carbohydrate diet, men are not as prone to the mood swings as are the women. One of the ways that women can make up for this is you be sure to add serotonin boosting activities to your life, like taking a walk, taking a bath, but also find healthy ways to get serotonin. These are sustainable carbohydrates that have a high satiety value, meaning they keep you fuller longer. Whole fruits are fantastic. Why? Because they give you a sustainable release of serotonin, but with the fiber that they have in the skins, they also give you a sense of being full, and that fullness will last for hours longer than a white carbohydrate. Also, those whole grains like quinoa, brown rice are fantastic so that women in particular, and men, can be successful in achieving the health, the body, and the state of mind that they want.